In this video, I'll explain you how to install synthetic dreadlocks in very long hair. With this method, your own hair will be worked away with braids. When installing synthetic threads, you'll need your threads, of course, sturdy elastics, a comb, and if need be, a sprayer. When your hair is wet, it won't get as frizzy. This was the explanation. In other videos, we also explain other methods, both for shorter and longer hair. Don't forget to like, subscribe and check out our website. Have a very dready day!